Hi guys, Mrs. Clark here. This is our final week of lessons. Our phonics lesson this week is on Latin roots. Let's get on to the next page. There we go. So we have quite a long list of Latin roots. If you don't have a pencil and paper ready, go ahead and pause the video and go grab that now. So I'm just going to go down the list and you can pause to catch up at the end. So the Latin root aud or odd means here. Port means carry. Spect is to look at. Tract, pull. Dict, to say. Rupt, break. Struct, build. Vis is vis or viz is to see. Ject, ject is throw. Scrib or script means to write. Vert is to turn. And then VOC, which could be like in the word voice or vocal. So it just means voice. So you're going to watch me go over a few and then you'll practice. So for audience, the Latin root AUD or odd means hear. So an audience would hear something. Projectile, the Latin root is in the middle of the word ject, and that one means to throw. So a projectile is something that's been thrown. Transport, port means to carry. And our next one is spectacle. The Latin root in this one is spect. So to make a spectacle is to like make something for someone to look at. Construction, struct, means to build. So if you see construction, they're building something. Visualize, so we know that the VIS means to see. So if you're visualizing something, then you're able to see it. So now it's going to be your turn for some practice. The first word is audible. So go ahead and write that down in your notebook or your paper. Underline the Latin root and then write down what you think the meaning of audible is. So go ahead and pause the video. So for the word audible, the Latin root is AUD, which means to hear. So if something's audible, then you're able to hear it. Rupture. We know the Latin root RUPT means to break. So if something ruptures, then it breaks open, like a volcano. Visible. The Latin root VIS means to see. So if something's visible, then you're able to see it. Scribble. So the Latin root in this word is scrib, S-C-R-I-B. And the meaning of that Latin root is write. So if you scribble, then you're writing something. Inspect. So the Latin root in this word is spect. If you're inspecting something, then you're looking at something. We know that spect means to see. Next one is vocal. So we know that the Latin root VOC means voice. So if someone's vocal, then they're talking. And I believe this is the last one, portable. We know the Latin root port means to carry. So if something's portable, then you can carry it. So like your cell phone is portable, you can carry it with you. Your assignments this week, the Latin roots game looks like this. And then your worksheet is this. And those will be assigned to you as extra practice on wonders. As always, reach out to your teacher if you have any questions.